Oh, good morning. It's 8:15.
They've already dumped someone.
Why are we locked? Just pulled up at this yard. Somewhere else today. Ow. Good morning, Captain. Let's go get some breakfast. Alright, so just been swimming for brimming hours. Come back to the room to change before lunch. Went arse over tit over this fucking step. Trying to catch the door. Smashed my leg up. And got a big old lump. And then we're gonna go have lunch. So that's that.
Or it depends on what comes to pick us up. You leave everything in their van.
Look what Artie did to me, Dad. Right, now we're gonna head over there. Go to a beach called Rat Tail or something. Have a little look around. And then everyone else is getting back on board for the El Sailors dinner, which we're not attending. We're gonna get back into the town and do more exploring. No, right, Diane, look at looking fancy today. Got jewels on. Yeah. That's right. Fancy, holy thing. Lovely, isn't it? Gas station.
Okay.
Get the gas station. Here we are, though. Here we are. What's this one called? Who? Well done.
Let's we get some cigarettes?
Yeah. Have they now? Right, so we've just been walking right up this road because Mario, our guide, said there's a nudist beach up here, and without looking at the map we just started walking thinking, you know, we're just going to come to a sign eventually, and there was no sign. So then got out the map and we've gone way past it, and Artie, the silly sausage, she didn't listen to me. She thought, I'm going to wear sandals. So her feet are hurting. And she wore a cardigan to match her shorts as well. And obviously that came off straight away as well. So I've just been just having a little word with her. But
As long as I have you, darling, it's okay.
when you'll finally listen to me. Yep. And now we're heading back down this dirty road. Yep. Sweeten. Sweeten Babbitt and so darling. That's what you want to do, isn't it? Yeah.
Rotten one.
Yeah. More than likely. Well, we'll just have to see. This is the beach next to that beach. Let's go check it out. Look at the hands. Hands are cool, aren't they? Loads of bits of cool, isn't it? Alright. Couple of drinks in that place down there, and then we're going to head back to the boat. Alright, you're not going to be long, are you?
No.
You're not. And then we're going to go out for dinner, aren't we?
That's a rock and roll.
Well, I just don't want to be waiting around.
Don't worry, you won't be.
Good. So that's that. So let's head back. I think there's a good boy coming on his bike, darling. Good boy. Have a good boy. Boom Mambasita, here you are. Hey, here you are. Just gonna get you a fruit basket for your head now, aren't we, darling? And you're like back at home. We made it, darling.
We did.
There is the ship. Everyone's having the captain's dinner apart from us. It's really antisocial.
Tanya.
So Artie picked the place and it didn't take all night long. In this little street here. So little quaint street. You're looking lovely, darling. So dinner has been ordered, wine has been ordered, water has been ordered, and now it's time to sit back and wait.
Happy.
Wait to dine.
I believe I got ready in like 3 minutes.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The shower didn't work on the boat because
They're probably refilling the water.
they're refilling them with things, replenishing water stocks and this, that, and the other. And we weren't supposed to be on the boat. I was supposed to be at the captain's dinner or out and about, but your mate here, she wore the wrong foot attire, shall we say, and wanted to.
And also we were so greasy, like we've not had showers since like we've not had showers.
We haven't had a shower today.
You definitely haven't. You look like you haven't as well.
So that's that. So then we're gonna dine, have a little walkabout, and then retire to the boat, I imagine. And I'm talking like this because this is what I do when I'm in a nice restaurant. I talk like this. That's that. Hey. So it looks like Artie's just gonna have bread for dinner because she don't know how to open up these things. What are they, prawns? So he's giving her loads of tools, pair of pliers and all sorts, and she's still struggling. So she's gone raggo, just using her fingers now. Might get a little something out of it.
I mean, I'm getting it all out.
Should have just gone with a little simple thing like me. Good luck, yeah. So, right, let's head back to the boat. So that's what we shall do. Let's get a cheeky little gelato. Little cheeky one. And then Artie had to copy me, get a pistachio one. And then we're sitting here by the woods, getting a bit of breeze because we're right here. Windy as anything here today, and then it's just disappeared, and then it's just turned into a bit of an oven. Oh, what a day. Alright, that was delicious. Now back to the boat. Well, the water issue has been fixed on the boat. Just had a shower. Alright, he's upstairs still chatting shit. I've just jumped into bed and I'm gonna go to sleep. For tomorrow's another day. I want to get up as early as I can. It's nearly 12 o'clock now, so I like to get up at 6, but I don't see that happening. Probably 7, half 7. Seems to be the standard this week. We'll see. I'll see you in the morning. Oh, good morning.
Going upstairs.
Huh?
Going upstairs.
You're going upstairs, okay. Let me just do my little morning video, darling. All right. Okay, so we've pulled up at this place. Right over here. Back on the mainland, little coastal town. We've had breakfast. Most of the people have gone and jumped on the bus to go ziplining. Didn't fancy that. We're doing our own thing today. We just had a little tidy up in here because the old crew are going to be going in and checking the aircon and stuff. And yeah, we're gonna get going now.
Come on,
Just
darling.
okay. Explore.
Yeah, what is this?
That's a yellow submarine, darling. Oh, that game that you got to... Right, we formulate a little plan. Oh, that thing there just took my euro, by the way. Didn't even get a chance to cut the scissors. Bollocks. Just spotted a little cool set of statue though, so let's have a little quick look at that. Look at that, he's chilling. Cool. Good as a dining table, though. Right, you ready then, darling? Let's do it. On our way to the statue. Look at them mountains. Core blimey. There he is. The bloke with the key. Oh, really? Oh, it's a lot bigger up close, isn't it? You have the key. Oh, you're hot, aren't you? Ooh. Yeah, that's the view. Slight change of plan. Artie's struggling with all of this heat. She's getting all wobbly and stuff. And we forgot to replenish the water bottles before we left the boat. So we're just left there sitting in the shade somewhere with the little bit of water we have left. And I'm going to bop back down here to the supermarket, purchase some beverages, and then rendezvous over back up here to continue our journey. So that's that. Alright, got some drinks. Got some putting the car to bed. And let's go and see where Artie's up to. Hopefully she's not passed out or anything down there. I'm so heavy. I'm on point all day, better stay out my way. I don't play and you're not ready. All I can say is that I'm so heavy. I bet you'd love to sit here, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Got you. What's this up here? Check that out. That was closed. Alright, what's the next place then? Oh, it's busy now. It's busy now today. I don't know how long it is, how hot it is, but a little swim stop, eh, darling? Well, that was very refreshing. A little cool down. Desperately needed.
Overheating again already though.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna have to walk down here and see what other establishment we can stop for can't even talk. Refreshing beverages. Look how busy it is. Fuck that. How do people do it? Don't know. Not for me. Is it for you? No, sir. Let's do a pit stop. He was getting a bit heated again. Nutella and banana ice cream. Smashing it. Right, he's got our iced coffee. She's happy.
No sugar.
No sugar, apparently. Super cool. Let's get the boat. Here he is. Oh, yeah? Oh, I'll tell you what. Fresh now. Nice cold shower. Aircon room. Let's go and get some lunch, shall we, darling? Let's do it. Alright, he's going to fix the boat.
Yeah, I think it's just very American. Wow. Right, everyone's fucked up the bed. And I'm just chilling. There's a statue that I walked up earlier on today. See that goes up. Blimmin' good boy or good girl down there, barking at the stone, just like what little baby does. She went for it. Little baby don't do that. So there's the bay, and there is our boat. Nothing happening at the moment. Can't see anyone walking about. That's it, and we're over here. We're just chilling, aren't we? Just chilling, enjoying the view, you know. Sit here by the water. And just waiting until getting closer to 8 o'clock. And then we're gonna go down there and we're gonna get on another boat and we're gonna go and see the sunset around the back of here. 40-minute trip. Yeah. It feels like it's already set, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it, from this side, but it's the other side of this rock, darling. This one. He's chilling. Oh, he's on the move. What's he going to do? What is he going to do? That was nice, wasn't it? I'm going to go get a little drink now. And then wait for the sunset cruise. Hey sweetie, how you doing? What's that you're eating?
Fine.
Why are you eating that?
Ciao, ciao. Dai, qua a destra, Zati.
Living good, boy. Living good, girl, even.
But it's very, this is the best weather you can get because this were the 80s and the 90s. So this cave and the balcony up there was a bar inside.
They move your hand.
Yeah, that's where we were sitting earlier today. Chilling for a bit. That's Mr. Birkenstock. You know, he makes shoes apparently. Birkenstock. So that's the front facade, but then there's actually a cave behind it.
I don't know why it's the reason, but it's only this long that you know where to be. They protect this very much. It's the last beach there, on the end in nature, way over there. Not this, but all the way there. So the last beach is.
And that is that, Jordan. See you again tomorrow, mate. Yeah, lovely. Nice breeze, lovely sunset, lovely company. Yeah. Right, back round it, and then what are we doing then? And now we got the moon, darling. Oh yeah, yeah. There's a little spot from earlier, just down here. There's our boat over there. Oh yeah. Open it. Submarine's coming after us.
Freeze! Aj malo naprijed. Samo da uđe. Normalno da je zavaja nek.
Thank you. Alright, heading back to the boat now.
There's old John. Smashing it. Geezer. Proper geezer it is.
Yeah.
86-year-old geezer. He's been around.
Which way are we facing again?
Let's go back to the room. Repacking the bag. Replenishing stocks. And then go and have a little drinky poos upstairs. Oh, it's all happening now. The girls are back. Oh, Matteo there. He's a joker. Good guy. The bartender and the waiter. Done a good job this week. Wish them all the best. There we go. Hotel Pawn. Smashing it. Should have stayed there tonight. Alright, let's go and find one of these Borax here. You up for a Borax?
Yeah, I'm feeling
what's
sense of pizza actually, but
Alright, who's Ashley though? You forget my name again. Good job. Good job I don't get the yum. Alright, easy, is it? These Borax, these are bad boy. I got the meat one. Artie's got the cheese one. I've got the Borax Mezzo. She's got the Borax Air. No, Borax Sir, sorry. And they are bad boy. What is? Oh, my flies are on there. There's our boat, smashing it.
good. Sorry.
You alright, mate? Cheers. You alright, mate?
So funny. Have you caught up?
Oh, he was just like trying to chat up some weight.
Oh, sorry about that.
Have you?
Well, okay.
Oh,
tell
no,
me,
no,
tell
it
me,
wasn't.
tell me.
That wasn't.
We caught up with Brenda at all?
Okay.
No.
No. When I left, he was making his way over to Brenda and.
Mary.
Oh, is that Mary? I thought that was.
Oh, Geraldine maybe?
Yeah, I thought it was
Geraldine, okay.
And I said, thank you, I'm sorry, I know he's coming up. And she said, well, we got about 20 minutes worth of
Funny.
I've been with him on a few stories many years ago. Sorry, go ahead.
So right, she comes down, pissing herself, and she goes, "Oh, can I get another glass of wine and a bottle, please?" And then, like she told us, like, oh, she invited John up to come and sit with her and Geraldine, and they were having a glass of wine, and they go, "Oh, cheers, John," and he goes, "Oh, thank you very much," and took a glass and just drank it.
That's him.
That's so good too.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
him.
cheap motherfucker. Oh my god.
And he's actually quite well. He's very,
Oh, but I don't
he's
know.
very tight.
I don't know, he didn't mean it probably like that.
And
Oh, you could have made it know what was happening.
there's more. There's
Oh,
more.
there's more. Alright. Just hit it with us. Come on, we can take it. We need it all quickly. We
So, but
can't make us suffer.
Geraldine asked for a nail scissors, and Mary goes, "Oh, I've got
Wait a
one."
minute, say that.
She asked for a nail scissors.
Okay.
And Mary goes, "Oh, I've got one." So she brought the nail scissors and she brought an emery board and she put it on the table for and John picks it up and starts doing his nails, toenails.